guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we will be cooking Scotch egg, also known as egg roll in Nigeria. Please do not forget to press the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process, we'll be needing some boiled eggs, breadcrumbs, mashed fish, and 2 raw eggs. I'll go ahead and add the eggs into the mashed fish. I'll give this a good stir. Please guys, make sure you season and debone your fish before matching. I won't be adding any more seasoning here. I'll just mix till I get a homogeneous paste that looks like this. I'll go ahead and wash my hands to begin the embalming process. I'll be grabbing a chunk of fish and spread it out on my hands and start the embalming. This requires patience, and as you can see, I'm using the tip of my fingers. Fish is very delicate, so you want to be generous for a start, and like I said, practice makes perfect. With time you can make thinner layers, but for a start, be generous with the fish please, and make sure you use the tip of your fingers to pat this fish all over the egg. Here's the outcome, guys. We'll go ahead and sprinkle some breadcrumbs over this and move it gently. You don't want your fish to detach off that egg, so please be gentle. Here's the outcome, and we will be repeating this process over and over till we get our dozen of eggs all embalmed. Here's the outcome, guys. So in the pot of hot oil, I'll add in some onions for flavor, and I'll delicately place in my embalmed eggs. Please make sure you use a wide frying pan so you can easily stir. thank you all for watching. You can have this with pepper and a chill glass of wine and thank me later. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.